Hi, my name is Frank, and I am an incoming senior at Monte Vista High School, and my project is the Smart Mirror. The Smart Mirror is basically a two-way mirror with a display behind the glass. The display can show the user all kinds of different information, like the news, the weather, the date, the time, and many more. I chose the Smart Mirror as my project because of its unlimited amount of customizations, and also I really need a mirror in my room, so it's actually very useful. So we can start the program by running npm run start in the terminal, which turns on the display behind the mirror. Here are some of the default modules that I chose to include in my mirror. The clock module displays the date and time. The calendar module displays the data taken from my Google Calendar account. The compliments module displays a compliment depending on the time of the day. The news module displays the latest news with the title and description. And now here's some of the third-party modules that I chose to install. The history module displays the event that happened on today's date. The standings module displays the standings of my favorite sports leagues. The wallpaper module displays a colorful background. The Spotify module displays the current song on my Spotify account. The screencast module casts YouTube video using Bluetooth onto the screen.
And where it blocks all the seat openings. Problem with that is now they can get to the lid. But this version
They will first need to pass through what is basically an 8-part Ninja Warrior obstacle course for squirrels. This course is extremely challenging. It is not for the timid of heart.
The Google Assistant module accepts voice commands. Jarvis, how are you?
I'm great, thanks. I was just thinking how much I love a movie night on a weeknight. If you'd like me to recommend a movie, just say, recommend a movie.
What's the weather today?
Right now in Cupertino, it's 19 and clear. The forecast tonight is around 18 and partly cloudy.
And the PIR sensor module puts the screen to sleep when I'm not using it. The Raspberry Pi is connected to the monitor along with the keyboard, the mouse, the PIR sensor, and a microphone. And the Magic Mirror software is installed on the Raspberry Pi, and the Magic Mirror software is an open source software that is used for this project. I also installed third-party modules from GitHub, and I configured those modules using JavaScript. One of the biggest challenges of this project was the Google Assistant module, which was very complicated. First, I had to set up the microphone, and I had to adjust the gain of the microphone and the volume of the output. And next, I had to install the module, but I followed the wrong guide, so I wasted half a day to a day following the wrong instructions. This project was really special to me because, first of all, I got to work on something really cool and very useful. And unlike projects at school or other programs, I got to work independently from others, which allowed me to customize the project the way I want to without anyone else's input. And I also learned new concepts along the way, like JavaScript and the Raspberry Pi computer.